Xiaomi Mi 8, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Xiaomi settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here settings, then let's scroll down in order to find the additional settings right here. Choose here backup and reset at the bottom of the list, and from the following options let's choose factory data reset. Tap reset phone right here. This operation will erase all personal data, including photos, songs, notes and other stuff. Of course, also your all customized settings will be erased. Tap next. Now you need to wait another 10 seconds just to confirm the operation. You can read the attention right here. And if you are ready and decided to accomplish the factory reset, let's tap OK. Now the phone is performing the hard reset operation, so let's just wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start activate your device. If that video was helpful, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.